Oh, so good. Hey, Hannah, welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana. I would love to have you a part of our Ohana. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Let's see if we can get this video to 80,000 likes. Let's see. You know, that may not be possible, but if we can get it to 500 likes, I would be so happy. So please, let's get this video to 500 likes, you guys. So in this episode of Shundara Creates, we're making food slime, and then we're going to create really cool creations out of it. So you guys, I'm going to teach you how to make this edible froyo mint chocolate chip food slime with only food, and then we're going to eat it. So Ohana, to make this marshmallow / squishy edible mint chocolate chip slime, we're going to use 4 ounces of marshmallows. We're going to add a tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil you like. Of course, I'm using olive oil because that's the only oil I had. Now I'm going to put this epic delicious marshmallows in the microwave for about 30 seconds. You don't want to do too much because you don't want it to be too hot. You just want it to melt. Now I'm going to mix in all the oil just to make sure it's not as sticky. And then once I mix it in, I'm going to add a cup of flour to some parchment paper, and then I'm going to add a little bit to the marshmallow. Then I'm going to mix in the flour, and then I'm going to put it on the floured parchment paper, the marshmallow fluff, and now we're just going to mix it in until it's not sticky anymore. And this is my favorite part because it doesn't get too sticky. And then I'm just adding more flour, and I used about 1 cup to 2 cups of flour, so use as much as you like until you get the perfect squishy epic marshmallow ice cream fluff ball that you see here. And once it's pretty stretchy, now right now it's really hot, as you can see. I'm like hot potato, hot as I'm mixing it in. But you guys, just make sure you don't keep it in the microwave too long so you don't have to do what I have to do. But look at it, it's becoming really squishy slime, which I really enjoy squishy slime. Who doesn't thumbs up this video if you love a good squishy slime? So once it's done, now we're going to add a little bit more olive oil, probably another tablespoon, so it's not as sticky. And we're just going to mix that in until it's combined. And I also want to let you guys know you can add like mint flavoring or mint extract with your green gel food coloring. So this is green gel food coloring. However, you can use green food coloring. It may be easier to mix into your slime or squishy slime than the gel food coloring that I did. But it's up to you, you guys. And add mint extract too. I forgot to tell you guys I added mint extract to make this also epic minty chocolate chip squishy slime ice cream. Now I added a whole bunch of chocolate chips, but you guys, these chocolate chips did not stay into the slime. Like literally, I tried mixing it and it did not stay into the slime at all. And this made me so mad, you guys. So I was like, you know what? I just don't have time, but we're about to make our mint chocolate chip ice cream because this looks good and I'm hungry. And So you guys, this is what I did. Isn't it so easy? Make sure you thumbs up this video if you love squishy edible foods and you could eat it. Love you guys. Bye. Oh my God, this slime is bomb. So essentially what you want to do is take your slime and we're going to mold it into like a beautiful swirl, like so. And then we're going to put it in our cream cone, but that's too big. Why is that too big? Slime. So we're gonna mold a little baby one, and then we're gonna put it into our ice cream cone. Side note, this is really good, you guys. So this is what it looks like. I really wanted a swirl one, but it won't swirl. So this is what it looks like. Can you guys see? So let's eat it. This is really good. Oh my God. Look at it. Oh my God. You guys should really try this. So good. It's so crunchy. I love it. Oh my God, let's smush it together. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, so cool. So you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Shundara Creates. And you aspire to make edible candy slime. Hashtag me in a photo on Instagram so I can shout you out and share it. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. Bye!